welcome back to my channel. Today I am way behind, but I'm doing a unboxing of the Maniology for December. I'm super excited for this one because you get some brushes. So as you can tell, I already took it out of the box. It's called Star Blaze Castle. Of course, it tells you on the back the steps to do for a design. And it pretty much tells you about it, of course. The polishes that we get are Whimsy B414, and it's a deep teal with pearl shimmer. It is pretty. And then the other one is a Folklore B415, and this one is a gray, and it's a pretty color too. Sorry for the noise. They always do such a good job on wrapping it. And here are the brushes. I do not have any of their brushes at all, so I am super excited about that. Look at how cute they are. It says their name on the side, and it looks like small, medium, and large brushes, so I'm super excited to get these. And here is, of course, the stamping guide. If you are new at stamping, it tells you the steps, and here is a code you can, a QR code you can use on your phone, and it should give you videos to how to do it. So that's really nice. Here's the first plate. It is, I think I'm going to keep the blue film on it until I stamp with it so you can see it better. This is MXM069. You got some fairies, octopus, some themes in the background. And the second plate is MXM070. There's a dragon, a bird, and then some more themes. My nails are getting longer, so some of these images are very big for your nails. Let's look at the other one again for the nails. These will fit, but the bigger ones will not. The octopus, it would probably fit on my thumb, and that's about it. So you can see the size of them compared to my nails. So, of course, I already swatched them. It is 2 swatches, and you can kind of see that other colors in there as I move the bottle around. It's very pretty, it's different. And then here's the gray swatched, only 2 swatches. It looks darker in the video, but it's not as dark. It's more like a medium gray. And here's the bottle. I only have one other gray, so I'm excited to get another stamping one. Okay, so let's do the gray one first. Very cute. And stamp it on the white first. She is very cute and it stamped well. So let's stamp it now on the black and see how good it picks up. You can't tell too well on the recording, but it does stamp good on black. So, and I guess let's stamp a little bit more. I'll show you what the other images look like. So beautiful. Like, you could take that design and of course put the dragon face right there, body in the middle, and the tail on the end to make it 3 nail design. That is so pretty. I didn't even notice that. And the detail is amazing. So then here are my swatches I did. Very different pictures, I will say. I think this one's probably my favorite, different. I like that one. And that's what I swatched on those. So that is everything you get in the December unboxing for Maniology. I think it's not bad for the price. If you get anything from Maniology, here's my code. I will put it in the description box below. You do get 10% off. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell for notification. And until next time, I will see you then. Bye.